Hello everyone, welcome to the Mini Markets Breakdown Analysis for Thursday, the 24th of November 2022. We'll be breaking down the chart and we'll show you the exact zones where price could close above potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. The previous daily candle closed bullish, leaving a rejection wick, breaking the daily resistance formed on Tuesday this week, forming a new daily support at 167,800. The 4-hour support, we have the same 4-hour support as the daily. We have this recent 4-hour week 4-hour support at 168,220, 4-hour resistance at 168,860. On the hourly, we can adjust our support and we can put a line for a recent 1-hour resistance. Dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, now we can adjust a little bit more. We can put it above these wicks, and we have this 30-minute support at 168,020. Dropping down to the 15-minute time frame, we have a same support as well. But the one thing I've noticed is since this is a daily support in here, and this is also 4-hour support, and it's also the hourly consolidation zone, if we could just adjust this a little bit, this could be our point where price could break the zone and look for sells, because this is a consolidation area. Even if you were looking for sells below this 30-minute support, this is not enough range. So by ignoring that support and waiting for price to break that daily support / 4-hour and the hourly support, then we have a high probability for price to continue down. So we need to identify the buy position, and I think if price breaks above this 4-hour support, the high of the candle, there is a high probability for price to retest this 4-hour resistance. This is going to be our no trade zone. Our first target, so now looking at the daily, we have resistance in here. On the 4-hour time frame, we have a resistance at 168,860. On the hourly, we have this resistance. On the 30-minute time frame, we have the same resistance at 168,610. We also have this 30-minute resistance in here. Same resistance. So I think it's safe to say the first target could be 168,860, anticipating price to retest this recent 4-hour resistance, since the overall time frame is bullish on GJ. So probably this is just price pulling back to retest the high, possibly to fill this week. So I know we do have this hourly resistance in here, but if price get into this area and it starts to reject, then we know price is just going to reject that 4-hour resistance. Therefore, we're just going to manage risk. Our second target for buys would be we need to go back on a higher time frame. 4-hour resistance, let's have a look. So we can see this previous 4-hour support in this area, dropping down to the hourly time frame. So we can see we have this 1-hour resistance at 169,300, and this possibly could be our second target. Now looking for sells, going back to the daily, we've got 4-hour support at 167, 550, 530. We have 1-hour support at this level. Same 30-minute support as the 4-hour support. And I know we do have these minor 15-minute supports, but we're just going to ignore these and we're just going to rely on the volume to break these zones. So this could be our first target for sells. Our second target for sells, we do have another 4-hour support at 167,200. Same 1 hour support. We have this 30-minute resistance, 30-minute support at 167 to 80, and on a 15-minute time frame, we have the same support as well. So I'm mainly going to be focusing on the 4-hour zone, and that could be our second target for sells as well.